Welcome to DDR Performance. Today we will be demonstrating the air filter cleaning kit from Green Filter USA. The kit comes completely with an air filter cleaner, the cleaning solution for the air filters, and the air filter oil. Now the best thing about this oil is that it's synthetic oil that basically does not harm your sensors. And this kit can be used for up to 8 times easily at your home. The kit comes with 2 nozzles that are placed in the solutions. These kits come with the instructions on the back. And if you want to see a detailed demonstration on how to clean your filter kits, just visit the video above.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more information, visit our website, ddrperformance.com.